Imagine a world where learning is powered by the future. Welcome to Bevinzey, your personal AI-powered learning platform. Join thousands of learners worldwide who have revolutionized their learning experience. Hello, my name is Dr. Dankwa, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Bevinzey. Let's get started. First, visit bevinzey.com on your device. And now look for the sign up button on the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Now you have two easy options to sign up. You could use your Google account for a quick sign up. So let's click on the sign in with Google, and right there you just signed up. So now let's take a look at the other way you could sign up if you didn't want to use your Google account. So I'm just going to sign out of this account and click the sign up button again, and this time we're going to put in the information that is asking for. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in the username, and then the first name, last name, email, and then the password. And now that all the information has been provided, I'm just going to click the sign up button. And when you're signing up by putting in your information, it's going to ask you for the one-time passcode. And so now we need to check our inbox in the email for the one-time passcode. And so in this case, that's going to be the code. Go back to the option to put in the OTP or the one-time passcode. So we're just going to put in the code here. Click verify email. And so that's how you sign up for the Bevinzey.com platform. In the next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your user information using the user profile dashboard.